How to add a second y-axis to graphs in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first here you can see I have made a Excel sheet. So go to insert and then add a graph. Select the data and then create a graph of it. After that, select which line you want to make the secondary y-axis of. So for example, if in this price line, simply go to format data series and then create a secondary axis. And here you can see a secondary y-axis is now created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.